One evening, Guruji sat with his students under a big tree. Arjun asked, Guruji, Krishna says he comes again and again whenever Dharma declines. Why didn't he fix the world the first time? Guruji smiled. Come, let me show you. Guruji took the children to the garden. Weeds had spread between the vegetables. Sehdev, didn't we clear this garden 2 months ago? Yes, Guruji. And now the weeds came back. Why? Because nobody removed them. Guruji nodded. So, cleaning it once wasn't enough. No, Guruji. Guruji pointed to the garden. Think of these vegetables as kindness, honesty, and sharing, and these weeds as anger, greed, and selfishness. If nobody removes the weeds, what happens? They take over, Arjun replied. Exactly. Bad things return little by little, day by day. Guruji softly recited, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharatah abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Whenever dharma declines and adharma grows strong, I manifest myself to restore the balance. Arjun thought for a moment. That sounds like something only Krishna can do. Guruji smiled. When weeds take over a garden, someone must remove them. When a dharma grows strong in the world, Krishna comes to restore dharma. Yet, he also teaches us not to wait for someone else. We can each pull our own weeds. The sky was turning orange. Arjun picked up a small trowel. Guruji, I can clean the rest before it gets dark. Guruji smiled as Arjun began pulling the weeds. Guruji said softly, that is what Krishna meant to. Not only a great hero who comes when the world is in trouble, but an ordinary person who sees something wrong and chooses to make it right. Whenever goodness fails, someone has to bring it back. Krishna's promise is not only that he will come, it is also that he can work through ordinary people who choose what is right. Maybe that someone is you. Joy of Gita.